Hello, my name is Jason Leva, Global Alliance Storage Engineer at Veeam Software. In this video series, we're going to talk about how Veeam and HP have teamed up to tackle data protection challenges facing the modern data center. Virtualization has allowed IT departments to become more efficient, but at the same time, data protection has become more challenging and demanding. With globalization, the internet, and the need for an always-on business model, legacy data protection solutions have been pushed to the limit. We're going to talk about how Veeam and HP are addressing these new challenges and setting new standards for recovery and IT data protection efficiency. In this first video, we're going to look at how Veeam, combined with HP StoreVirtual and 3PAR StoreServ, is helping organizations meet executive priorities for faster recoveries and less data loss with more frequent recovery points. Veeam has integrated Explorer for Storage Snapshots with HP Storage by using the storage device's native APIs, allowing Veeam to bring intelligence to the snapshot for recovery. Inherently, storage snapshots are intended for recovering entire volumes, which may have many virtual machines. Because of this, recovery options are limited and can be time-consuming. By adding intelligence to the snapshot, they are able to be used for almost any recovery scenario, making primary storage a key piece of an IT department's data protection strategy. A typical organization's backup strategy allows for backing up data once a day. As you can see, this model leaves a large window where these organizations are left vulnerable to data deletion or corruption. With Veeam Explorer for Storage Snapshots, Veeam Backup and Replication uses snapshots created by HP StoreVirtual and HP 3PAR StoreServ as recovery points for virtual machine, guest OS file, and application item recoveries. These snapshots can be created as often as every 5 minutes in the case of StoreServ or 30 minutes with StoreVirtual. With Veeam Explorer for Storage Snapshots and HP Storage, it is possible to meet executive priorities. Now, let's take a look at how easy it is to utilize this innovative technology. Setup and configuration can be completed by simply adding the IP address and administrator credentials for the primary storage within the Add Storage wizard of Veeam Backup and Replication. Once complete, Veeam will begin scanning and importing snapshots and the virtual machines running on them. The frequency at which these snapshots are created is maintained on the storage itself, but Veeam can also create on-demand snapshots if needed. Now, let's look at recovery with Veeam Explorer for Storage Snapshots. The first step is to decide which snapshot to use. In this view, you will see all snapshots for this volume on the array and when they were created. By double-clicking on a snapshot, a list of VMs residing on the snapshot will appear. Simply right-click on the VM and choose the restore type. For this video, we're going to look at recovering from Microsoft Exchange. Here I'm going to search for an email that contains the word pictures and restore it to its original location. I'm also going to search for another email that was originally in my inbox and restore it to the original location as well. You can see that restore capabilities aren't limited to emails only and expand all the objects of a user's mailbox. This is a powerful tool that can be used almost daily in IT departments, allowing them to be more efficient, save time, and money. This concludes this video on data protection for the modern data center with Veeam Explorer for storage snapshots and HP 3PAR StoreServ and StoreVirtual. Our next video will talk about using these snapshots for fast, non-disruptive backups with Veeam Backup from Storage Snapshots.